Good evening, everyone. Today we learn how to find where the line cut the circle and check your answer by viewing technologies. So it is the question. Now I start. Solution. We consider the line of the equation of this straight line y equal minus x plus 2, and this we call equation 1. This equation in the form of ms plus for constant, we call the slope and y-intercept form. So when m is a negative value, we know the graph is draw northwest direction, this direction. And equation of the circle x minus 2 power 2 plus for y minus 3 power 2 equal 9. We call this equation is equation 2. Now we see x minus a power 2 plus for y minus b power 2 equal r power 2. Alright, you have to remember this. It is the equation of a circle with center AB and radius R, and it is in the center radius form. You have to remember this definition. So the circle had the center 2, 3, and radius is 3 units. Alright, now the line cut the circle where so the line y equal minus x plus 2 cut the circle when we substitute 1 into 2. Example, we have x minus 2 by 2. So we substitute equation 1 into equation 2 right here, y. So we have minus x plus 2 minus 3 power 2, 9. So we have x minus 2 power 2 minus x plus 2 minus 3 give us minus 1. So at this stage, we take out minus sign out. So we have the factor is x plus for 1, and then the whole lot outside by power 2. So at this stage, you should notice we have the minus sign outside of any number. Yes, example in this case, and power 2 outside. So by the power rule, so the power outside of the square bracket or round bracket, we have to delivery inside for each element inside of the square bracket or round bracket. So in this case, we have equal minus sine power 2. So we bring power 2 inside of each element. So negative side and the power is even, give us plus. So that one is plus, like that. So therefore, at this state, x minus 2 power 2 9. So now we have to expand these two factors. We have x plus 2 minus 4x plus 4 for that. And with the second factor here, the quadratic factor here, we have x plus 2 plus for 2x plus for 1. And number 9 from right hand side, we move it to left hand side, become minus 9. 0 there. So we have x power 2, x power 2. We have 2x power 2 minus 4x and plus 2x give us minus 2x. And about the constant, we have a plus 4 plus 1 give us plus 5 and minus 9. So it gives us minus 4. So we can see number 2 here, it is the common coefficient. We have to take number 2 out of the bracket. So therefore we have x about 2 minus s 2 equals 0 divided for 2. Therefore give us s about 2 minus s minus 2 equals 0. So at this stage, we consider this quadratic equation and we consider what are the two numbers give us the sum minus 1 and product minus 2. So it means the coefficient of s and the constant. So we can see the two numbers, they are minus 2 plus 1 give us minus 1 minus 2 times 4 plus 1 give us minus 2. So the two numbers, they are plus 1 and negative 2. So this quadratic equation can be factorized s plus 1 times for s minus 2 equals 0. So if s plus for 1 equals 0, therefore s equals minus 1. Similarly, if s minus 2 equals 0, therefore s equals 2. Now, in order to find the y-coordinate of the point where the line cut the circle, we have to substitute s equal minus 1 or s equal 2 into equation 1. It means substitute them into the equation of the linear equation. It means the straight line here. So we have a y equal minus s, it means minus 1 plus 2, y equal 1 plus 2, y equal 3. So we have the point minus 1, 3. And we substitute s equal 2 in, we have minus 2 plus for 2, y equals 0. Therefore we have point B equal to 0. So the line y equal minus s plus 2 cut the circle at point A minus 1, 3 and point B 8 to 0. So now by freehand drawing we can see example here is the circle. The center is 2, 3. We have a point A minus 1, 3 and point B 2, 0. this line with y equal minus s plus 2. So by freehand drawing, we can draw something like this. And here the origin. Now, I show you how to use technology to check it up or solve this problem by technologies. First, we start technology on. At the beginning, we see the set of axes, 4 sides, left, right, up and down. Each side has 10 intervals. Now we have to set up the window. Example 5, 8, scale 1, minus 3, minus 9, scale 1 also. We see something like this. So in order to draw the circle, we must press second quick. And in order to see the circle clearly, we must jump. Press jump here. Jump. Then we select 5z square. Press 5. Once again, we press second quick. Now the circle, in order to draw the circle, we press second, draw right here. We use the cursor to move the highlight down. Number 9 circle, press 9. We see the circle. Now, the center is 2, 3, radius is 3. Now we press enter. It is the circle. And in order to find where the line y equal minus s plus 2 cut the circle, we press right here and try with minus s plus 2 and then grab, we press right here. So we see the circle cut, the line cut the circle at point A and B. In order to know the point, we press trace right here. Use the cursor to move. So we can see the line cut the circle at minus 1 and 3. And the line cut the circle at point B, 2 and 0. So before you draw the circle by technologies, don't forget zoom, and you select 5. You have to see this square. If you don't, the circle is look like an ellipse. So you have to remember this point. So I repeat one more time. Before you draw the circle, you have to press zoom, select 5, go down and select 5 z square. If you don't do it, you can see your circle, it look like an ellipse. So this is the case. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.